So what is Accelerator and what is GoMobile? Let's talk through the differences. Accelerator. Just think of it as the biggest filing cabinet you could ever have. It holds details of every vehicle, every piece of equipment. So you have inspections, service history, parts fitted, you'd expect that. Reminders and defects, you'd expect that too. But it's also got standard jobs, copy jobs, estimates. We've also got ATF lanes, that's authorised test facilities, hire, driver assignments, accidents. After 22 years, there's probably nothing that's not in the system that you would need. It's got everything. So that's your back-end system. Then we have GoMobile. GoMobile allows various people to have access to the system from anywhere at any time. It's truly mobile. In the workshop, we have technicians who can do their jobs, either on screen, on tablet, on phone. We have drivers who can do their driver's checks, usually on a phone or a tablet in the cab. We have customers who can have access to view their vehicles, so they don't need to keep contacting you about an inspection sheet or an invoice. It's all there for them to see. And you can allow third-party vendors and service agents to come into the system and do inspections on your behalf. So it's a really powerful tool. We like to think about it as your fleet in your pocket or your workshop in your pocket. So it's a limited set of data. It doesn't have costs, it doesn't have prices or profit margins. That's in the main system. But it can work on any device. It's completely rescalable and it's available any hour of the day. So if you're a fleet manager, you've got everything in your pocket. If you're a commercial vehicle workshop manager, it's in your pocket. So what does this mean ultimately? Well, you've all seen these. That's a job sheet. Yeah, paper. No more. There's an inspection sheet for doing a trailer inspection or a vehicle inspection or a car inspection or anything. No more paper. And finally, invoices. No need to put them in the post. Email straight from the system. No more paper. Thank you for watching this short video.